Guys, look, you can see the wall of rain coming towards us, and those clouds are moving towards us quite fast. And I'm pretty sure that there's about to be a possible thunderstorm. And I'm hearing small thunder. Okay, so now it's gradually getting more. Oh, see, now the rain has just started. Oh crap. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put the video here. So guys, this storm's actually kind of strong. The storm is, oh crap, shoot, that's really strong. Oh my gosh, that's so strong. Crap. Oh my gosh, guys, look down there. Ah, crap. Shoot, man. That's really strong, guys. That's really strong wind, guys. Oh my. Guys, let me wipe the camera. It's really strong. So yeah, guys, this is quite a strong storm. Probably might be one of the strongest I've been in. This is insane. I'm surprised there hasn't been a severe thunderstorm watch. There's a lot of heavy rain and strong wind. This is really strong. Okay, so yeah, guys, this storm is quite strong. Quite very strong, guys. Some really strong wind gusts we have here. Oh, you guys can see the trees down there. They're all like... Oh, wow. This is really strong. It's been a long time since I've seen a storm like this. Oh, my. Oh, wow. It's so cold. But I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Guys, this is insane. This is really insane. This storm is one of a kind. I've never seen one this strong. Tomorrow I'm gonna go see if I can go around and look if there's any damage. This one's really strong. Oh my. This is so strong. Whew, this is really strong. This is such a strong thunderstorm. Whew. And my socks are all wet. Never seen a thunderstorm like this. This is so crazy. So yeah, I don't know if there's hail, but even if there isn't, that storm is pretty strong. You can see that there's even some flooding though. Wow. Most insane strong storm I've ever been in. Whew. I'm pretty sure this actually might be one of the strongest ones I've been in. I don't know how there hasn't been a thunderstorm warning yet, but you guys can see the flooding. That's a lot. Ooh, so guys, this storm is incredibly powerful, very strong, I really wish though that there's just like a warning though, because if I didn't have if I didn't get a notification, I would have missed out on this amazing thunderstorm. Oh my gosh, it's so powerful. So guys, it's starting to die down. I'm gonna head inside now, but you can actually indeed just see the amount of flooding there. Let me put on my shoes though. You guys are seeing the flooding, right? It's not so much, but actually you can even see it over here too, on the grass. Yeah, a lot of rain, strong wind. If the storm starts to pick up again, I'm gonna resume the video, but yeah.
There were a lot of these poles in the trees that were knocked down or displaced. There wasn't that much damage in my area, just some fallen branches and big sticks. A big plant was ripped from the ground and thrown beside my house by the storm. This was the storm on the radar. This thunderstorm had wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour at its peak, which you can see 53 seconds to 1 minute and 15 seconds into the video.